Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make slowed and reverb songs in CapCut. If you find this guide useful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks. Okay, first you will need to add your song to CapCut. In my case, I will use this one. We'll go to speed and set it to 0.8 speed. Also, we will activate the keep pitch option. Now we will go to audio effects and look for the mic hog effect. Here, we will set it to 70. Here, 30. And this will be the final result.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading.
If you liked the video, leave me a like and subscribe. You help me a lot. Thanks.